You know something? This particular problem has happened to a lot of people before, whereby your Instagram account or your Facebook or Snapchat account gets hacked. And then now you are going to Google to go and check how to recover your account or call people you know to help you recover your account. Do not allow yourself to even get there. Prevention is better than cure. So in this video, what I'm about to teach you is about to teach you how to prevent yourself from getting hacked. So without wasting much time, welcome to App Tech Reviews. The online space is wicked. Imagine having an account and go your Instagram account, maybe your TikTok account, to like 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers, and then all of a sudden someone comes and then they take the account away and you can't do anything about it again. Hey, what they want to do? So in this video, what I'm going to teach you is how to use Google Authenticator to give your accounts extra security so nobody can hack into your account. So what Google Authenticator does is it gives your social media accounts or whichever website you are logged on, so far as the website uses two-factor verification, it gives you an extra feature which is an extra security so that whenever anybody logs into your account, a code is sent to you on the app. That is if you've downloaded the Google Authenticator on your phone. This is what you call the two-factor verification. Anybody can log in with your username and password, but after they log in, they are sent to another screen requesting them to enter the code which is provided by the Google Authenticator, and without that code they will not be able to enter your account. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So this is how it works. Most websites nowadays know that people, they are hackers, there are people everywhere who are trying to hack your accounts. All these people who have grown their Instagram accounts to maybe 40,000, 50,000, they are finding ways to hack you, and when they hack you, you will not get your account again. So all these websites, as Facebook, TikTok, they have a feature called two-factor verification, and there's an app called Google Authenticator that you need to download onto your phone that gives your social media account extra security. So let's assume someone gets your username and password and then they are able to log into your social media. They wouldn't be able to log in if you have the two-factor verification set on your social media and you have the Google Authenticator on your phone. So I don't want to talk too much. Let's just go in and see how it works. So now let me show you how you can practically make sure your two-factor verification is working on your Facebook account or whichever social media that works for you. So I'm using the web version of social media. I'm not going to use the phone. It's the same thing. It's the same settings. You just need to go to settings. Let me quickly show you. You go to settings, you go to privacy, settings and privacy, then you go to settings. I've already installed the authenticator on my phone, but I'll teach you how to do it as well. If you're using iPhone or you're using an Android, they both have it, so you can just go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, or your App Store to download the Google Authenticator. So when you go to settings, then you come to security and login. Yes, so when you come to security and login, you scroll down and then you see use two-factor verification, and you can already see mine is already on. So I just want to show you how the interface looks like. So if yours is not turned on, you'll see off, and then Facebook will allow you to turn it on. They will recommend you to download the the Google Authenticator app as well. So let me quickly use, because this is the security feature, it will ask you to enter the password first. So you can see mine is already turned on, so it's asking me to turn it off right now. I'm not going to turn it off. So now let me show you. So I'm taking it off. Let me open a new web page and go to Facebook. And let's see if the Authenticator app is going to work. Okay. So I've opened a new web page trying to log in to my Facebook account. So let me quickly log into my Facebook account and let's see if the two-factor verification is going to work. So I've entered my username and entered my password. So yeah, log in. So it's loading. You can see. So immediately I try to log in. It says two-factor authentication required. You have asked us to require 6-digit login code when anyone tries to access your account from a new device or a browser. Enter the 6-digit code. Why am I even reading all this thing? You can clearly see it. So Facebook is asking me to enter the 6-digit code, and I already have the Google Authenticator app on my phone. So let me show you. So first of all, you can go to Play Store or the App Store. That's if you're using iPhone. The Android people, how do people do it? Why do you bother yourself using the Android? Android, there's like you're using Nokia. I know that Android people are going to get mad at me, but I don't care. Okay, so if you are using Android or you are using an iPhone, you can just go to your App Store, the Play Store, and you type in Authenticator. Yes, exactly. That's the first one that came. Google Authenticator. You can see I've already downloaded it, so it says open. So I've opened it, I've signed up, and everything. Immediately you go to Facebook on the web or on your phone, it gives you a self-explanatory. So it gives you the guidelines you're supposed to use. Because I have already installed it and set up everything, it's showing what it happens. But I just want to show you how it works. So you can see Facebook, my Facebook account is right there, and it's asking me for this 6-digit code. And what happens is this code resets every 30 seconds. So you can see it resets every 30 seconds. Now you can see the code has changed again. So let's just enter the code and let's see if the Facebook is going to open. 591651. Yeah. So it says save browser. You can see it just opened beautifully. So you just save to browser so that whenever you come back to this browser, it's not going to open, it's not going to log into the same authenticator again. You can choose not to save it so that whenever you come back, it still requires you to enter the authentication again. So you can see my Facebook account has been opened. And this is a perfect security feature. Do not allow yourself to get hacked. I am telling you. Now you're going to look for people to come and help you unlock your account. Yes, so we've been able to enter a Facebook account today. You can see. So now let's try using Instagram and let's see how it's going to work. So first of all, you go to Instagram, then you go to settings, then you go to security, then you go to two-factor authentication. You can see that it says get started. It says authentication app recommended. Instagram is recommending you use the authentication app itself. So you can choose to click next or set up another way. I prefer setting up another way. I find it very easy using set up another way. So you go to set up another way. It says copy key. You copy the key. It says copied. And you go to your authentication app. Let me quickly go there for you to see. Then you go to add. It says enter a setup key. Account. You enter the account name, that's Instagram, so you can always remember when you see it. Then you enter the key that you copied there, and then you add it. Immediately Instagram will be added to it. Then you come here and then you go to next. Now it works perfectly. Now let's go back and copy the key that's here copied, and then put it back into the Instagram app. Immediately it synchronizes and the authentication app is now on. Next, it's going to work perfectly. Backup codes, it says screenshot these codes just in case you lose your authentication app. And you go to done. So now your authentication app has been successfully installed on your Instagram app. So you saw how perfect the authenticator app works. Do not wait till you get hacked before you use the authenticator app. I'm telling you, a word to the wise is the global space attention. Whatever I'm saying, you don't understand. All I'm saying is use the authenticator app before you get hacked. Prevention is better than cure. Thank you for staying tuned, and hope I catch you next time on App and Tech Reviews.